What we have here is the silver earrings. Then as you can see, it has a bit of tarnish on it. So what I wanted to do is to regain its shyness before wearing it. So right now we will be using two methods. So the other one is the alternative way. So my mom told me to do this. We will use Bilimbi together with Ash. You just have to watch what I'm doing. Then let's see if it works. So as you can see, we still have one, and what I wanted to do is to use other method. And right after, we will be comparing which one is way better and removing tarnish on our sample. So some uses baking soda together with aluminum and hot water. So since I don't have an available baking soda at home, I'm gonna be using salt instead. Of course, let's put aluminum here, then put some salt, then the silver. Then let's pour hot water. Then let our silver soak here for minutes or in hours. So right now, let's remove the silver from the solution. Let's use cloth or any to dry it and to scrub. Okay, we're done. I think both method works. But if I'm going to ask you which one is better, the use of Bilimbi and Ash or the use of the tarnish method? Let me know in the comment section. So putting them together, I think the tarnish method is way better. And if I'm going to rate it in the scale of 1 to 10, it would be 9 over 10. So what's gonna be the science in it? So what I found out, this tarnish removal method uses a chemical reaction to convert the silver sulfide back into silver. Many metals, in addition to silver, form compounds with sulfur. Some of them have a greater affinity for sulfur than silver does. Aluminum is one of them, and luckily, most people already have lots of it. As you know, we use aluminum to wrap foods, to store foods. So in this case, the silver sulfide reacts with aluminum. In the reaction, sulfur atoms are transferred from the silver to the aluminum, freeing the silver metal and forming aluminum sulfide. Chemists represent this reaction with a chemical equation. This the reaction between silver sulfide and aluminum takes place when the two are in contact while they are immersed in a salt water solution. As with almost all chemical reactions, the reaction is faster when the solution is warm, so that's why we use hot water. The solution carries the sulfur from the silver to the aluminum. The aluminum sulfide may adhere to the aluminum foil. It may be found floating in the water, having detached from the foil, or it may form tiny. So the silver and aluminum must be in contact with each other because a small electric current flows between them during the reaction. This type of reaction, which involves an electric current, is called an electrochemical reaction. So these reactions are used in batteries to produce electricity. It is known as the redox reaction, if you are familiar. So that's all for today's video. Hope you all like it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on my next video. Let me know your suggestions and recommendations or your request for the future video.